What's going on, guys? Well, today I'm just gonna go over a quick review on a Pittsburgh 1-ton 2,000-pound engine stand. Is it worth it? Does it work? Can you flip it? Yes, you can. On this engine stand right now, I got a 7.3 liter. Pretty much block heads. That's about it. We're into the 900,000 pound mark right now. I looked at this particular engine stand, and I also looked at the 1,500 pound engine stand from Daytona. The Daytona was nice. It had a few extra features, some stabilizing legs, and it was rotated by gear and all that, and I kind of wondered how hard it was going to be to get this engine to flip. And honestly, no issues whatsoever. So if you're wondering, should you spend the extra, I think it's $160 more for the Daytona 1,500 pound compared to the 2,000 pound Pittsburgh engine stand. And honestly, guys, I wouldn't spend the extra money on the Daytona unless you wanted to just, for whatever reason, wanted to turn your engine by gear. But I can definitely do this one-handed with this guy here. Got the pin in it. Undo the pin. Engine doesn't move. Just set the pin down here. And I'm gonna spin this engine one-handed. It doesn't want to fall. It actually goes down pretty smooth. This is just one-handed. I'm not really putting any force on it. That's it. It's already flipped. So I think what makes this thing so easy to flip, of course, is the big bearing race that they have in here. There's a bearing in there. This thing is pretty damn sturdy. I'm not too worried about it. It doesn't move around a lot. You can definitely do some work on it, not have to worry about it. I mean, it moves, but that's the whole stand, is because of the casters. There's no flex or wobble or any of that you get from those. Even with the 1,000 pound engine stand and a 350 on it, you still get some wobble and weird movements and shit like that. But with this, no, none whatsoever. If I want to flip it back, again, one-handed. Shit, just dropped my pin. And that's it. Flip back over again. So, I think this stand was $200, something like that. Well worth it. I don't even, as easy as this thing turns with 1,000 pounds on it, I don't even see the need for the Daytona one, unless you just want to be fancy about it. I mean, it's nice. I like it. I mean, if I had the money to blow, yeah, I'd buy it. But this one here works flawless. No issues with anything, really. It turns very, very smooth. It doesn't wobble. There's no flex. This is with the 7.3 on it. Pushing close to 1,000 pounds is a bare block like this with just the heads on it. So anyways, guys, wanted to give you a quick review on this 2,000 pound engine stand from Harbor Freight. It's doing the work. I've had it already sitting on the stand for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, something like that. So like I said, if it was me, I'd skip the Daytona and I'd go with the Pittsburgh 2000, because you're going to save about $150, $160. and as easy as it turns, you really don't need that, you know, gear operated lever just to turn the engine. So all right guys, I'll leave it at that. I hope this helps with your next purchase. Hope you save a couple bucks not going with the Daytona. And remember, the Daytona is only 1,500 pounds and this one's 2,000, so you get that little bit of added security when it comes to your weight. I mean, other than the, you know, Cummins and the 7.3, the 6.4, the 6.0, 6.7, those are, you know, pushing 1,100 pounds depending on which engine. Other than that, I don't know what else you're going to put on this thing that's going to weigh over 1,200 pounds. You're going to go that heavy of an engine. I mean, you should be looking at a different engine stand, I would say. I'd always like to have like 1,000 pound, 500 pound, 1,000 pound buffer between the limit and the weight that I'm actually putting on it, just to be safe. So, but anyways, guys, again, like, subscribe if this has helped you out. Appreciate it. And we'll see you all later. Thanks.